Shenzhen Kushing Electronics Technology Company Limited, established in 2010, is a professional company engaged in the research, development, sale, and service of GPS trackers, vehicle speed limiters, video telematics terminals, cargo trackers, and IoT solutions. We are located in Shenzhen with convenient transportation access and dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service. Our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In addition, we have obtained CE, FCC, and RoHS certificates, selling well in all cities and provinces around China. Our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as Southeast Asia, Africa, the Middle East, Europe, North America, and South America, covering more than 170 countries worldwide. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. Our company maintains a comprehensive production system and stable supply chain management to support consistent product quality and timely delivery services. We focus on continuous improvement of product performance and user experience through ongoing research and development efforts. Our technical team provides support for integration and customization according to different project requirements. We are committed to long-term cooperation and reliable service for global customers. If you have any inquiries or project needs, please contact our customer service team for further information and assistance. We value clear communication, accurate documentation, and professional cooperation to ensure smooth business processes with our partners worldwide. Thank you for your attention.